Hey guys, welcome to a new episode. Today I'm going to present you two knives that were made by Jacques Jobin, a Canadian knife maker. I have already presented two of his knives, a folding knife and a fixed blade, in my previous videos, so if you're interested, just go and check them. Links will be in the description below. Now let's take a closer look to these particular knives, and we will start with this one. This one is called the Chrysalide. Sorry, I don't know how you pronounce it in English. It is kind of similar to the previous folding knife I presented in one of my previous videos. It has the same style, let's say. You can really recognize Jacques Jobin's style, but it is very different in terms of size, the little details on it, the finishing, the materials. So yeah, definitely go and check the previous video to compare with this one. Now this one has a top lock mechanism. The previous one was a simple slip joint. This one is a top lock. So when the blade is open like that, it is completely locked, and you have the spring right there, a bit like a back lock, but you have to pull the spring up to unlock the knife. Very, very cool mechanism. It is still possible to open it with one hand, with the thumb stud that is on both sides. So even for the lefties, it is completely fine. So yeah, let's take a closer look to this beautiful handle. We've got a titanium frame with lots of little details on it, and mother of pearl, beautiful white mother of pearl scale. Unfortunately, I think the camera won't make it justice, but yeah, with very nice rivets inside, with a black and steel color. On the titanium you have a lot of little details like this, with blue anodization on both sides, even on the spring there. It is very well made and has a very futuristic look. It looks a bit like a spaceship, especially with these details there. And it is still very comfortable in hand, very usable and very ergonomic, which is something I really like in this kind of knife. It is, first of all, a knife, but it is at the same time much more than that. So yeah, here we've got a Damascus blade. Not quite sure, but I think it's a Devin Thomas Damascus. Very slightly revealed, very subtle, and doesn't distract too much from the details of the handle, which is something I really like. You've got more details here on top of the blade that makes it look like a spaceship. It's a hollow grind, very sharp, and we have a mirror polish on the edge. Jacques Jobin's signature is on both sides, which usually I'm not a huge fan of writings on blades, but here it's very elegant and subtle, so I like it. And the thumb studs are also made of titanium with anodizing and mother of pearl inlays. So yeah, beautiful work. We've got chamfering right there. It is chamfered all around it. The spring area is nicely rounded. More details here on the back. And a custom pivot, again made in titanium and with blue anodizing. Absolutely gorgeous knife. Very, very cool. So yeah, that's it for this one. Forgot to mention, but blade centering is absolutely perfect. Now let me present you this other knife, which is an absolute beast. This one has a 10.5 centimeter blade and an overall length of 23 centimeters. This one is huge. It has an 11.5 centimeter blade and an overall length of 25.5 centimeters. Yeah. Really, really cool knife. Same style as this one, but with lots of details that are not done the same way, and a stainless steel blade. So yeah, let's take a closer look to this one. Still titanium handle with little dots there that are anodized in different colors in the inside. Same top lock system, same smoothness. You can open it really, really easily, and it has a very beautiful sound when you open it. Really amazing. Bronze anodizing for the details, mammoth ivory scales, and all around the scale we've got an orange peel finish, which is very very modern for a knife that was made in 2003. Now it's really trendy in the tactical world to have this kind of finishing, but yeah, Jacques Jobin was already doing it 20 years ago. We've got a perlage finish in the inside, and yeah, more orange peel finishing there, orange peel finishing all around there on the grip for the spring, and on the pivot, custom pivot by the way. The thumb stud, like on the previous knife, are made of titanium with the same orange peel finish on it, and this time it has ivory inlays. Really a gorgeous knife, very modern for a knife that was made like over 15 years ago. Loving it. So yeah, that's it guys. I'm just gonna show you the sheaths that come with them. So they are made by him again and formed in the exact shape of the knife. So the knives are really firmly kept in the sheath. Here we've got I think it's a snake skin sheath. And for the chrysalid, we've got a shark skin sheath. Absolutely beautifully made. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. As usual, please leave a like if you did, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.